Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple but delicious fudge. So we're going to start off in a large saucepan with quite a high size, and we're going to add in our sugar and the milk, along with also the butter and the golden syrup. Then you just want to heat this on low heat to start off with, just so that butter and the sugar can all melt and dissolve together. Once that's all sort of melted, you want to just turn up the heat to about medium. Then we just want to heat that using a candy thermometer to measure the temperature up to 116 degrees C. Now it's going to take a long time, it takes about 10-15 minutes. At that point, chuck in a splash of vanilla, stir that all through. Then we're going to take it off the heat, and you want to constantly stir that until it reaches about 60 degrees C. Now the reason we do this is if we just cool it down really quickly, it's going to form large crystals. If we beat it while we're cooling it, it's going to form those nice tight crystals and you get nice silky smooth fudge. So take that into your tin and then leave that on the side, not in the fridge. If you put it in the fridge, again it's going to cool quickly and you're going to get a large crystal. You want it to cool nice and slow at room temperature overnight. Once that has set overnight, you're going to turn that out onto your chopping board. And then it's just as simple as using a sharp knife to cut it into pieces. Now I actually cut off the edges first, just sort of beaten up, and it gave me a few little treats to nibble on. And then you're just going to chop that into little pieces. Now you can make these pieces as big or as small as you want. I went for quite small pieces, so maybe like a couple of centimetres. And that's because they're going to fit nicely into my box, because this is such a great gift idea, especially coming up to Christmas. Chuck them into a little box, add a bit of tissue paper, and it's such a beautiful, homemade, personalised gift, especially for things like grandparents. They love fudge. And that's literally it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you make this recipe at home, make sure to tag me on your social medias. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. You can subscribe if you're not already. You can click here to see my last video and here to see the video randomly selected by YouTube for you.